This is our old dispenser. It fits this particular one by pushing in, locking in. Now, it's not going to work for this one. This is the new one that screws into the bottom, and this doesn't screw in. It's the same size, and the bottle is narrower and smaller. Those are the advantages and disadvantages of these kits. But when you go to the store and you look at their system, it doesn't look as nice as this one. And this costs a lot less money. So what we're going to do now is show you how simple it is to install. You already got your holes mounted. All you got to do is replace. You have your plastic nut, your O-ring washer. It slides on, and it goes just over here, drops on. You need a second helping hand to hold this while you get this on. So let's go down below, put this on. It's as simple as, like I said, just taking this, putting it up there, and screwing it on. I'll show it to you if you like. Get yourself comfortable. Do your best to feel for it. That is how simple it is to do it. Just a little difficult at first. You now got to go screw the bottle on. I have a little bit of a modification underneath that. I may just need to put a piece of foam to hold this up. Or, since it screws on, that's it. I'm all done. I have a little work to do under here. Grab my new soap bottle. Pour my soap in. And done. Clean up. Now you could put all this away if you like and do what you want with it, but at least now you have your new, you got it, soap dispenser. It is a nice soap dispenser. It replaces the old one without a problem and won't break the bank. I hope you enjoy your soap dispenser if this is right for you.